it's Georgia Stitt. I'm here with Julie Garnier, who's producing my concert at the Coterie on May 25th in Hollywood at the Hollywood Renaissance Hotel.
Mm-hmm.
And we are drinking a little bit. I mean, tastefully, these are my cool wine
These are
glasses.
awesome. I love these.
And we're planning a concert. So Julie, I asked Julie if she would sing in my concert, and she said I had to do it officially on camera. I actually don't know what she's going to say, but will you sing in my concert?
No.
Okay, fine. I'm calling Susan Egan. Um,
Oh, yeah. Well, I understudied her before, so, I guess she can understand me this time.
so is that a yes?
Yeah, that's a yes, of course.
Okay, good. So I have a lot of special guests. Julie Garnier is the first one that I'm announcing. It's May 25th at the
Yes.
Coterie. What's the address for where they can buy tickets? And stuff?
175. Oh, the
No, the
email,
web, yeah.
the web address. Go to Facebook and type in the Coterie.
The Coterie.
And also on Brown Paper Tickets. There we
There
go.
you
Brownpapertickets.com, and just type in Georgia Stitt, or the name of her show, which is You Don't Know Stitt. And you'll be able to buy tickets there.
You know what? We'll put it on. We'll put it at the bottom of this.
Oh, good
so it's
idea.
like there.
And you can just
I'm sure
click.
it's-
You can just click it
How does this work? There.
there.
And I promise I'll put on makeup for the concert. All right.
Me
See you
too.
there, May 25th. Thank you.